Alright guys, so here is the Clover Call Me feature. Again, this is the same on all devices. This is just so, your merchants don't have to wait on hold. Clover can call them directly. So very, very easy and simple. On the top right of every device, there's a big button right here that says Call Me. You guessed it, you just click Call Me. Confirm the phone number. So you're gonna put in your phone number here if you wanna go into the cell, not the business. It might be dinner time, you don't want the business line tied up. Put it right to your cell. Hit that button that says call me, and in literally minutes, Clover will call you directly. Now, if your issue that you're having isn't like a major issue where you need it fixed right away, it's just one of those things that you want to get fixed eventually, you can always email Clover at support@clover.com or call them directly, and the phone number will be listed literally everywhere on the device. You can even see it right here.